Kobe Bryant was born in 1978. Kobe Bryant was only 18 years old when he started with the NBA.
Kobe Bryant won 5 NBA championships.
Bryant was an ambassador for after-school All-Stars for kids all over the U.S.
Bryant gives hope to many kids that want to go to the NBA. Sally Bryant passed away in a helicopter crash.
Bryant and his daughter did not make it out of the crash alive.
But his memories will live in others that walk in his footsteps.